Good afternoon. This is David, and I'm Larry, and we're from Savana. And today, we're going to show how you can leverage Savana to expedite your embedded banking and digital differentiation initiatives. A little background, Savana breaks down silos for financial institutions by effectively unifying and orchestrating all processes from core to customer, regardless of product, channel, or system of record. And today, we're going to talk about solutions for 3 problems. Problem number 1. Getting a bank charter today is next to impossible, but fortunately for many of you in this room, you already have a bank charter. Or if you're a fintech provider, you have financial institutions with whom you can partner. The second problem is how to acquire more account holders and relationships beyond what traditional marketing activities can deliver. And the solution to that is to extend your reach by adding banking as a service and embedded banking offerings which leverage your charter with non-banking partners. Unfortunately, these banking as a solution and embedded initiatives can be complex and result in disjoint silos and processes, security, vendor management, and other issues. And that is problem number 3. Even though you have the relationships and the charter, how can you execute in an expedited and controlled manner? And how can you deploy those initiatives in a way that effectively adheres to your standards and processes without extending expensive effort and resources and time? And that is where Savana comes in. Using Savana, you can leverage your charter and launch embedded banking or BaaS solutions with your partners quickly and securely and with the controls that matter. David is showing the Savana Digital Experience Accelerators for the Savvy Model Bank. And I'd ask that you pay particular attention to the products and the flows and the branding that we're seeing up here. Our single platform provides the aggregation and orchestration that your bankers currently use for servicing in assisted channels, as well as a responsive, adaptive, or native offering for online account origination, as well as online banking. And deploying new offerings and personas is simply a matter of extending that same platform with all of the controls and features and automation to new customers using the Savvy brand as a starting point and inheriting attributes from a managed style sheet. And here's the challenge. In under 3 minutes, my friend David is going to demonstrate the creation of a unique brand and products for our customer, Finovate, using that branded style sheet.
Thanks, Larry. So as we look at Savvy Financial's offerings, we can see they offer quite an expansive product set. We have checking, savings, and CDs. So Savvy wants to leverage their charter to start a new brand for Finovate. To ensure that we don't introduce any unnecessary tooling or problems in an existing institution's workflows, we try to integrate with industry standard tools. So for our look and feel configuration, we've begun integrating with Figma to drive colors, type, and images. We later plan to extend this to even flows and component placement. So out of this, we generate configuration files. So using our existing flows, the configuration can be rebranded in just a couple minutes, and the full onboarding and OLB experience is intact. For this brand, we've removed more of the complex products and just want to offer checking. We've also removed the How Did You Hear About Us page, because we can assume they heard about us at Finovate. So keeping the theme of using industry standard tools, we use Fastlane to run our configurator. So we'll do that now with the app scope set to Finovate. This Fastlane configuration also is for app building and signing to integrate with the app stores to get those deployed quickly. Our configuration also extends to the back end where we can dynamically change these via API. So now that that's run, let me reload the app and see what we've built. So our code base here that we're seeing is not closed source. So if you are a customer, you get access to this and are free to change it, get updates from us, and develop your own experience. So now that's reloaded, we can see we have a new FinovateFall brand. We can see that we have minimized how many products we're offering. So let's say I want to decide to add in savings. So we'll do that really quick, and then we will reload. So our product, so in the matter of minutes, we get to deploy in a web, iOS, and we also have Android. I did not show that on here today. But it allows banks to offer their own banking-as-a-service solution securely and using their existing banking infrastructure. So all the controls and processes are still owned by the bank. We're just extending that to our new brand. So as you can see, when it reloaded, we've added savings. And then back to you, Larry.
Excellent, thank you. So I did live up to the commitment. In under 3 minutes, David has shown how quickly and easily we can create a new online account origination offering using the Savana digital experience accelerators. This flexibility allows financial institutions to extend their charter and deploy new embedded banking and BaaS offerings. And our tool set of over 10,000 configuration settings allows you to achieve your key business objectives without incurring those challenges and silos and overhead that can come with building solutions from scratch. And since we provide the source code to you for future enhancements, you have complete control over the platform and your offerings going forward. Savana is a digital delivery platform that unifies all of your processes from core to customer. Thanks for your time, and we ask that you stop by booth 111 to get an emotional support banana when you leave the conference today. Thanks for your time.
Thank you, everybody.